I find that the class is a very interesting class, and they are all finance oriented, and therefore I introduce new materials at this point. And the first one you will see following this short talk by me is the conference I had in Beijing, organized by Sun Tzu Institute and the Beijing University, and it is on entrepreneurial failure, but more importantly, on turnaround. And relating that to Sun Tzu, you'll find that will be interesting. Very few will actually relate turnaround to Sun Tzu. And following that, you'll find I use a case study, a very recent event, the Nagala submarine, the Indonesian submarine. And on that, I emphasize the fact that it's very important for a leader to have ability to sense danger. And I relate that again, right, to Sun Tzu, who mentioned that as a leader, you must be able, as a general leading an army, you must be able to sense danger ahead of you. Next, and finally, because the class is very much oriented towards the finance aspects of it, I brought in value-added analysis, how you analyze a company, a corporate company, and then on developing ratios that capture different facets of performance, and of course how to then convey that graphically, right? Thank you so much. We had a very interesting workshop again this time round.
There's a lot at stake, not simply in sinking the ships, but in creating that shock effect and demonstrating to the British that they can sink their shipping at will.